This video is a 10-minute Pilates video. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to dive into something that you can do if you are a beginner or an intermediate. So get your Pilates shoes on. Just kidding, we won't be wearing shoes. We'll be petting the dog though. We can start by coming onto our hands and knees, and we can begin by warming up the spine. We'll just exhale, roll the hips in, arch the spine, feel each individual vertebra. Roll the head in, chin to chest. Inhale, come back up, lift the hips, slowly unroll the spine, lift the head. Exhale, roll in. We'll just do a few of these. Inhale, come back up. And one last one. Exhale, roll in, push the mat away with the hands. Have the arms nice and long. The knees are right under the hips. Inhale, come back up. Good job. Stretch out the left leg and the right arm. And lift that leg up on your in-breath. Lift your head, lift your leg and your arm. Exhale, drop it down and touch it. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, drop it down and touch it. 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do 10 of everything. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Now the left arm, right leg. Lift that right leg up, lift the arm, lift the head. Exhale, come back down, touch the ground. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Come back to center. When you're ready, you can take that left leg, maybe kick it out just a little bit. Put the weight on the left hand and the left leg. Stretch out the right leg. Stretch out the right arm. Exhale, bring the elbow and the knee together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This time grab the top of the foot with the hand. Just push the top of the foot into the hand. Working on your mad balancing skills. Well done. Switch sides. Balance on that right hand. Right leg, stretch the left leg out, left arm stretches out. Exhale, bring the elbow and the knee together. 2, keep that glute engaged on the right side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. For the last one, grab the top of that left foot with the left hand. Just push the top of the foot into the hand. Good job. Come back to center. When you're done with these, you can just come down to your forearms. Have the elbows right under the wrist. On the in-breath, bring that right knee to the nose. Engage your core. Pull it in. 1, 2, 3. Stretch that right leg out and pulse it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, knee to the nose. 1, 2, 3. Stretch it out, pulse it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, knee to the nose. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Come to center, switch sides. Now the left side, bring that left knee to the nose. exhale. 1, 2, 3. Stretch out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring the knee to the nose. 1, 2, 3. Stretch it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. 1, 2, 3. Stretch it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Come back up. Straighten the arms. Leave the right hand down. Bring that right leg back. Stretch the left leg out. On the in-breath, we're just going to lift that leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Next, we'll come down to the forearm. Just have it parallel with the short side of the mat. Keep the hand on the hip. Keep the knee lined up with the elbow and that left foot lined up with the knee. Just come down, lift back up. Drop it down, lift it up. 3, keep that core activated. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Switch sides. Just bring that left hand under your hips. Left hand is in line with the left knee. Push the left hips forward, right leg comes out. We can just rest the hand on the hip for support. Take that right leg, just lift it up, drop it down. We'll do 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Come down to the forearm. Just get that forearm parallel with the short side of the mat. Leave the knee under you. Stretch out the right leg. Stack the hips. Line the body up with the wall in front of you. Just drop it down. Lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Well done. Just come to the center of the mat. We're going to lay back. Bring the knees up. Engage the core, lift the head and shoulders up. On the exhale, bring the knees into the chest. You can bring your arms up. Come back to center. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep that core engaged. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Come back to center. Keep the core activated. Pull the belly button in and up. Drop that right heel down. Tap it. Left heel. Tap it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. And then stretch the right leg out, bend the left leg. Lace the fingers together back behind the head. Bring the right elbow to the left knee. Switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Next, we're going to stretch the arms out so they're lined up with the torso. Straighten the legs. Once we stretch the legs out, we can do circles. So go small to begin with. 3, 4, maybe make them larger. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Squeeze knees into the chest. Bring both feet to the floor, and we'll do a bridge pose. Walk the heels in so they're right under the knees. Arms are stretched along the side. Push the stomach and low back to the floor. On your in-breath, lift the hips 1 vertebrae at a time. Exhale, slowly come back down. This time, if you want, stretch out the right leg. Maybe point the toes. Inhale, come up. Try to keep the pelvis level. Exhale, come back down. Inhale, come up. We can do 3 on each side. Pushing that left knee forward, trying to keep that right leg straight. And 3. Good job. Bring that foot back down to the mat. Stretch the left leg out. Maybe point the toes. On the in-breath, come up. Exhale, back down. 2. And 3. Good job. Bring that left foot down. Slowly we can grab our legs, roll ourselves up, come to a comfortable seated position. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked this quick little video. I hope you had a great opportunity to work your abdominal region. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share. That keeps these free videos coming on the interwebs. And also click the little bell so that you can be notified of all the videos that I release so that you can do more yoga, more Pilates, and stay healthier. May love and light be yours. Namaste.